Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today, I'm going to talk about the impact of policy ownership on your life settlement offer. If you are considering selling your life insurance policy, it's important to understand the impact of policy ownership on your life settlement offer. The policy owner is the individual or entity that owns the life insurance policy, and the owner can have a significant impact on the value of the policy. In this video, we will explore several impacts of policy ownership on your life settlement offer. The age of the policy owner is an important factor in determining the value of a life insurance policy. Generally, older policy owners will receive a higher offer than younger policy owners. This is because older policy owners have a higher likelihood of passing away, which means that the life settlement provider will be able to collect the death benefit sooner. Additionally, older policy owners are more likely to have paid more premiums into the policy, which increases the cash surrender value of the policy. The health of the policy owner is another important factor in determining the value of a life insurance policy. Policy owners who are in good health will typically receive a lower offer than policy owners who are in poor health. This is because policy owners who are in poor health are more likely to pass away soon, which means that the life settlement provider will be able to collect the death benefit sooner. Additionally, policy owners who are in poor health may be more likely to sell their policy, which increases the supply of policies on the market and lowers the demand for policies. The size of the death benefit is an important factor in determining the value of a life insurance policy. Policies with larger death benefits will typically receive a higher offer than policies with smaller death benefits. This is because policies with larger death benefits have a higher potential payout for the life settlement provider, which makes them more valuable. Additionally, policies with larger death benefits may be more difficult to sell in the open market, which increases the demand for policies in the life settlement market. The type of policy is another important factor in determining the value of a life insurance policy. There are several types of policies, including whole life, universal life, and term life. Whole life policies typically have a higher value than term life policies because they have a cash value component that accumulates over time. Universal life policies may also have a higher value than term life policies because they have a flexible premium and death benefit structure. Additionally, policies with guaranteed premiums and death benefits may be more valuable than policies with variable premiums and death benefits. The ownership structure of a life insurance policy can also impact its value. Policies that are owned by individuals will typically receive a higher offer than policies that are owned by corporations or trusts. This is because policies that are owned by individuals are more likely to be sold on the open market, which increases the demand for policies in the life settlement market. Additionally, policies that are owned by individuals may be easier to transfer ownership, which makes them more attractive to life settlement providers. The premium payment history of a life insurance policy can also impact its value. Policies with a consistent premium payment history will typically receive a higher offer than policies with an inconsistent premium payment history. This is because policies with a consistent premium payment history are more likely to be in force at the time of the policy owner's death, which means that the life settlement provider will be able to collect the death benefit. Additionally, policies with a consistent premium payment history may be viewed as more valuable because they have a lower risk of lapsing. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free, no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSEs, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSEs, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.